What's the meaning of Bristol Cream? Bristol Cream. Bristol Cream.
Bristol Cream. Bristol Cream. Bristol Cream is a type of sweet, fortified wine that originated in the city of Bristol, England. It is a blend of different types of wine, mainly Palomino Fino, Pedro Jimenez, and Moscatel, which are aged in oak barrels for several years. The result is a rich and complex wine with a deep amber color, nutty aroma, and sweet flavor with notes of raisins, caramel, and honey. Bristol Cream is often served as an after-dinner drink or used as an ingredient in cocktails and desserts. It is considered a classic example of a cream sherry and is enjoyed by wine enthusiasts around the world.